Today we're exploring the COREtec Originals Premium in Flaxen Ash. If you're looking to upgrade your space with elegance and functionality, you're in the right place. Let's start with an overview. The COREtec Originals Premium in Flaxen Ash showcases a beautiful light wood look that brings warmth and sophistication to any room. This luxury vinyl plank is not just about aesthetics, it's engineered for performance. It features a robust 20mm wear layer, making it incredibly durable, and it's 100% waterproof, ideal for kitchens, bathrooms, and any area where moisture is a concern. Now let's talk about the benefits of choosing COREtec Originals Premium. The unique core construction minimizes expansion and contraction, so you won't deal with unsightly gaps or warping due to temperature changes. And if you have kids or pets, you'll appreciate the scratch-resistant surface. This flooring can handle the hustle and bustle of everyday life with ease. Thinking about installation? The COREtec planks come with a user-friendly click-lock system, making it super easy for DIY enthusiasts. Just ensure your subfloor is clean and even, and you'll be enjoying your stunning new floors in no time. Maintaining your Flaxen Ash flooring is a breeze. Regular sweeping or vacuuming, along with occasional mopping with a recommended cleaner, will keep it looking fabulous for years. Now, let's talk about pricing. While costs can vary, investing in quality is always worth it. Shaw backs this product with a lifetime residential warranty, giving you peace of mind. And there you have it, the COREtec Originals. Premium in Flaxen Ash is an excellent choice for anyone looking for a blend of beauty, durability, and ease of maintenance. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more home improvement insights and product reviews. And as always, you can get this floor and countless other top brands of flooring at wholesale price, only at arcoflooring.com. Hit the link in the description below and shop now.